Well, it seems we've hit something. It's in the hand. I dropped it. There it is. Tin can. So they're pretty accurate. Well, I don't think we'll leave it here. We'll take it with us. So, you got to be careful for snakes. I did come across a death adder here a couple of years ago. Yeah, they're only small, but they're very, very venomous. It's also brown snake territory. We don't want to disturb any of them. Yeah, it's a great little walk. Well, I've got one tin can lit up, so we've got to start. For a bit more intrigue into the video, I swear, you know that feeling when someone's watching you? Probably freaking about nothing. Yeah, the hairs on the back of my neck are standing up. The reason I'm walking down the track, looking down the track as well, is people may drop things on the way back up or on the way down. You never know. How's that, eh? That's where we're going. I don't know if you can see it through there. There's the water down there. You head straight ahead, might be the go. Alright, so here's the descent. Aboriginal paintings? Probably not. Something big just moved down there. And I'm going down there on my own. This will be fun. I suppose being in the bush could, on your own could be a bit, you know, out there. Yeah, so there's some nice big spiders out here. I don't even know what kind it is, but it doesn't look nice. If it didn't kill you, give you a nasty whack, that's for sure. You don't like me either. You don't like me hanging around him. So I'll leave him alone and hopefully he'll leave me alone. So where I'm sitting down, I just took a seat, have a break, sat right into the red ants. Look at this big bart, mate, he would burn. I've just seen another one here somewhere. I don't want him crawling up my leg or nothing. In my bag. There we go. Oh yeah, they hurt. They really hurt. Check this out. Wow. Well, we're not here for the view, we're here to find treasure. I suppose we're here for the view as well, eh? Magnificent. Incredible. This is a very popular swimming hole. We'll just call this secret area number 2, because it's my second gold treasure adventure. People stay hanging places like this. Oh, there we go, look at that. They even picked up aluminium, eh? It's pretty good. Yeah, so people hang along the shoreline in little places like this in the shade, and this is where they could lose their gold rings or their diamond rings, you know, diamond earrings. Alright, maybe going a bit too far. Oh, where's the flying fox? How mad! Must be over there. Cool. And of course, this would have been a great spot for the Aboriginals in their hunter and gathering days. Would have been a great spot to stay for a few days, and I'm sure they did. Yeah, so I'm walking with no hands, by the way. I've got a pick in one hand, a metal detector in another. No slipping over, I'll be in trouble. So we'll be a little bit cautious, because I'm out here on my own. Whoop. See, whatever it is. Oh, there we go. Doing pretty good to finding these bloody aluminium can things, mate. Now, if these were worth money, I would be a gazillionaire. Whoops, I better take that with me. I'm not taking that dirty nappy with me, sorry. Come on, people. Take your nappies with you. What's going on? If anything's in here, we go in these little pools. For sure. Just a big bolt of lightning then. Could be a storm coming, eh? I think it's time to get out of here before that storm gets over this ridge. Yeah, I think I better put my pedal to the metal, I think. I'm definitely not out of the woods yet. Still got a fair way to go. Hope I get back to the car before it rains. Doesn't matter anyway, it's that hot. The old metal detector's going to be quiet. So here's that feeling again. I'm around the same spot. What a kangaroo or something around here. There's something here, but I just know it. It's behind me. Could be thunder again. What an adventure that was. At least the most important value to it all was actually just getting out there and having a go. Okay, so we get home. I find the coin because it was on time lapse, but I thought I found something unusual. And just because this is not an Australian coin, it's actually a South African coin. And when I flipped it over and seen it was 1 rand, I come to realise that probably the aluminium pull rings are probably more valuable than the coin. But anyway, it is a bizarre find to find in Australia. And what I've put it down to is probably someone's good luck charm, something like that. Obviously a South African. To be in the bush in the middle of Australia, admittingly at a popular swimming site, but bizarre, to say the least. Anyway, we'll keep on looking. I'm sure we'll come up with a bit more than a bizarre coin and a couple of pull rings. Till the next adventure.